I want to talk to you about this because it's so powerful and so important to be able to help people to boost up their credit. I get so many people that call me, thousands of people every single week that tell me, oh, they don't think they can qualify to be able to buy a home because they think their credit score is too low, because their bank denied them. They told them they need a 20% down, or that their friends or family said, hey, look, you have a 580 or 640 or 660 credit. It's not good enough and you can't buy a home, and you're stuck renting. I want to tell that's the biggest myth ever, that you can own a home and I can help you to boost up your credit score and to get you pre-approved. All right, guys, it's Angelo Christian with another great edition of Real Estate Insider, and today we're going to talk about one of my great clients. We just closed on their home, the Martinez family, and actually how we helped to boost up their credit score over 100 points, and they got approved to buy their dream home. So this is the Martinez family right here. They just closed on their home in Austin, Texas. Awesome, beautiful home. They have two lovely kids, so I'm very excited to let you know I actually helped them. I want to talk to you about this because it's so powerful and so important to be able to help people to boost up their credit. I get so many people that call me, thousands of people every single week that tell me, oh, they don't think they can qualify to be able to buy a home because they think their credit score is too low, because their bank denied them. They told them they need a 20% down, or that their friends or family said, hey, look, you have a 580 or 640 or 660 credit. It's not good enough and you can't buy a home, and you're stuck renting. I want to tell that's the biggest myth ever, that you can own a home and I can help you to boost up your credit score and to get you pre-approved. This family right here, they just bought this beautiful house, and we help them to raise their credit score. So that's what we're going to be talking about today. So you guys can actually own your home. You can have what you want, have your great life, and do whatever you want to do. And we can help you to get the funding so you can actually own your home. So I want to talk about this today because it's so powerful and so important that you guys are aware out there in the world, wherever you are in the United States, Angelo Christian can help you to get the funding, whether you're a first-time buyer, you're a veteran, okay, you've had bankruptcy issues in the past or foreclosure issues, but you have a great job and you can pay your rent and you know that you deserve to own a home. You don't want to throw money away on rent anymore. I can show you the way and actually help you to get into a house, just like I did for this family right here. When they came to me, I'm going to show a picture of the credit score, the boost that we did over 100 points. They went from a 520 credit score all the way up to a 620 credit score, and we got them up over 100 points. That helped them to lower their interest rate by over 1%, and from that, they're able to get closing cost assistance of up to $13,000 to help to pay for their closing costs. All right, when they came to me, they've been denied by 7 lenders, and they were spending $1,800 a month on rent in Austin, Texas. All right, take a look at this credit profile here, this boost. They went from a 520 all the way up to a 620 credit score, over a 100-point increase. That's a 30% increase, and we did this in just 40 days. And this is the stuff that we did. We deleted some stuff on their credit. We also disputed some things, and they paid down some accounts. And all this thing, they did it for free. We did it for free with them. We didn't charge them like Lexington Law, $99 a month and drag it out for years. We got this done in 40 days, a 100-point increase in 40 days. This is what we did for them. And I can do this for you. So don't think just because you don't think your credit's good enough that you have to wait to be able to buy a home. I will help you to boost up your credit score just like I did for the Martinez family. You don't have to wait and spend thousands of dollars on credit repair and keep wasting money on rent in an apartment or a house. We can help you with our loan approval to boost up your credit score. And the greatest thing of all, because we're the bank going to give you the mortgage, we know how to get your score up and what needs to be on there to qualify for the loan. Because if you just throw everything into dispute, or you have collections, you put those in dispute, that actually affects you from qualifying to get approved for a loan. But the credit repair companies don't know this. So what they do, they just send out letters on everything on your behalf and put stuff in dispute, and then it affects your ability to get a loan. So we have to have you go and undo those things, take accounts out of dispute so you can actually get the mortgage. With us, what I'm telling you is because we are the bank, we're giving you the loan, we're going to help you to get your credit score fixed and done right so you can actually get approved and buy the house. So that's a big difference versus, oh, I'm going to go hire a credit repair company, give them $100 a month for a year or 2 years, and then they don't fix my credit the right way so I can actually buy a house. You don't want to do that. It doesn't make any sense. So this is what we did from, look at this, from a 520 credit score and boosted all the way up to a 620 just by doing a few things. We did this in 40 days. They closed. From the time they called me to the time of closing, it was 97 days. So in 97 days, they went from a 520 credit and being a renter, wasting $1,800 a month on rent, to boosting the score to 620 and owning a home in Austin, Texas. And that's the thing about government loans. When you do FHA, VA, and USDA, if your credit score is at 620 or higher, everybody gets the same interest rate. It's not a bank loan like a conventional loan that you have to put 20% down and have a 740 credit. With the FHA and government programs, if you have a 620 or higher credit score, everyone gets the same interest rate with us. So I want to be able to help you guys if you're out there and dispel this myth that you think that your credit's not good enough. If you have a 580 or higher credit score, I can help you to get pre-approved to buy your home. It's very simple to do. I want you to call my office. We're pre-approving millions of dollars of loans every single day. Call me. That's the other thing, is that I work with you directly. I've been doing loans for over 15 years and done billions of dollars in lending, helped over 13,000 families all over the country. We are the bank. We are the government-sponsored lender here to help you to buy your home. We're not a broker. We're not a third party. We're not a middleman. So that's how we can do. We can actually help you to boost up your credit, get you pre-approved so you can get into the home, something you deserve that you can call your own, have your own privacy, have your own backyard for you and your family. Your kids, your children need a yard if you have a family. Don't leave them in an apartment. You deserve more in your life. You are enough, and you can have a great home. So this is the most important thing. I want you to see what I did for this family and know that you can be the next person on our social media, that I can promote you, and I can show the whole world that we helped you to boost up your credit score. We also can help with closing cost assistance. We have programs to get like what we did for them. You can get up to $20,000 of closing cost assistance. You can actually get the closing costs either paid by the seller or rolled into the loan, or there's grants and tax credits. We're one of the only lenders left in the country that does tax credits that actually help you with closing cost assistance to roll the closing costs into the loan so you don't have to pay out of pocket for the down payment and the closing costs. So I want to help you. I want to make it happen. So please, if you're out there, you know someone that's looking to buy a house and that can benefit, share this information. Get this video out into the world, your coworkers, your friends, your family, whether they're veterans, first-time buyers, existing homeowners, people that are trying to refinance, reverse mortgage. We're a nationwide commercial and residential lender here to help you guys. We're not a credit repair company. We do it for free as a VIP service to help our clients to boost up their credit so they can get a better interest rate and better loan terms. So call my office at 832-431-6331. That's Angelo Christian. I want to be able to help you to actually boost up your credit score, get you pre-approved, get you the funding so you can stop wasting money on rent. You can also click on that link down below in the video on the YouTube. You can click right there to apply now to get started so we can actually pre-approve you, and then you can send in all your paperwork so we can actually review it for your loan approval, or you can call me directly at 832-431-6331. Also, every single week we announce an instant winner on our social media. You can get free swag from us, free Rise shirts, jackets, coats, hats, free access to Real Estate University, which is a university platform that I built. So there's a lot of cool things. Please message us down below on YouTube and Instagram. Share this with all your friends, your family. And our mission is to grow our YouTube channel to 250,000 subscribers. So we want to be able to help you out there. So don't let credit be the excuse on why you don't own a home. Don't stop. You have to be able to, you deserve to have a great life. You deserve to own a home. And you only get one life. You can't take the money with you. You know, my dad used to tell me, Angelo, it's better to live rich than die rich. Hey, you can't take the money with you anyway. So enjoy that money. You work hard. Treat yourself to owning a home. So quit wasting that money, $1,600, $1,700, $1,800 on rent. You can have a house and build equity and be an investor and actually own your own real estate. Wouldn't that be great if we turn this whole thing around? You can actually make this happen. I've done it for thousands of people. So don't let credit be the excuse of why you think that you can't own a home. You can own a home, and I can help you to make it happen. So call me at 832-431-6331. I want to see you up here next, just like the Martinez family, from a 520 to a 620, owning your brand new home. Thank you guys so much for watching Angelo Christian Mortgage. Let's help you today to get into your home that you deserve. Take care and peace out. Bye-bye. Hey guys, click here to subscribe to get great new content every single day. Click on that bell right there to get push notifications. Click to subscribe to get great new content from Angelo Christian every single week. Click here.